Meet more people, meet more people. I don't want to be mean, but people are just numbers. If you meet 10, 20 or 100 people today, chances are you'll find a like-minded soul. That's all. It is genuinely possible. If you want to find friends today, you must meet people today. But what else? Well, firstly, where to find those people even? It's not like you're supposed to approach everyone on the street. Well, that's a question to you. You must tell me, where do you like to spend time? What do you like to do? Is there a way to make this public or social? To find your people, find yourself. As cheeky as it sounds, just you must find your passions, you must find your hobbies and go to the places where people like that like to spend time. If you're a sports person, that would be the gym or a boxing club. If you love books, then maybe a library or a book club. If you love culture, maybe a museum or a theater. It does not matter, it is up to you. But then, when you go to that place, you must know that you will be surrounded with people that love the same thing as you do. You will have at least a single straightforward topic that you both are interested in talking about, and that's enough to initiate a friendship. But then what would be the most sacred, the ideal way to make the best first impression at all of those people that you are supposed to approach there? Well, obviously just say hi. Because initiating touch, smiling, having open body language, those are just tricks, and the tricks come with practice. The more you approach random people at those places that you love, the easier it will be to come across as warm and open and chill and effortless, because it will be effortless for you to do that. And you know this, because, well, put your hands together like this with me. Come on, just do this right now. It will take a second and it will all make sense in a moment. Now switch your thumbs and tell me, how does that feel? For me, it feels minorly uncomfortable, and that is because I am not used to holding hands in this position. But surely if I held it often enough and for long enough, it would become familiar. As unfamiliar becomes familiar with exposure. Similarly, the more strangers you approach, the more effortless it will feel. Begin with a hi. But then after that hi, they will often respond. Maybe they will greet you back, maybe they will ask why have you greeted them. A simple answer to that is that they just looked cool. I will feel pleased to hear something like that. But it is a longer topic. If you want to make all of your conversations interesting, I'll link a video in the description for that. I've made an entire guide about this. But now I want to round it up. For you to be able to fully comprehend what it takes to make friends today. Friends are people. If you want to find new friends, you must meet new people. Until you find somebody that you potentially vibe with, then you meet up, you invite them out. That's all. But to meet them, well, you obviously must spend time in your authentic social places. And then say hi. And the tricks will come the more that you try. That is how you make friends today. But I also wanted to mention that if you ever checked your phone and seen it empty, no messages, no invites, but you see an Instagram post of the people you know and they're out in the real world together having fun while you are alone in your bed on a Friday night, wondering if they even thought of you. Well, that used to be my reality for years. But after many failed attempts, I finally found a way out of this. And as a writer at heart, I put it all into a few free guides. So just like those videos, they are entirely free. You can get them in the description. Go read them now.